Do you have a gas problem? Then you want to look to your index finger for instant relief of that gas. Now, I'm not talking about gas like in the gas pump where it takes like $100 to fill up your gas tank, right? I'm talking about indigestion, whether you have GI problems, you got gas stuck in your intestines and you're just passing gas, you're farting all the time, and it's embarrassing, right? So how do you get rid of all of it all at once? Look to your index finger. You're going to look at the side of your index finger, this part, and you're going to start rubbing the index side of the index finger. You're going to rub it along that line. This correlates to the nerves that are connected to your large intestine, which will help push out that gas in your large intestine. You can do it for both sides, all right? But here's a warning. Make sure you tell everybody around you that you're about to do this, because once you do it, you're gonna release a lot of the gas, all right? So make sure you like this post and follow me here for more of these awesome tips.
Hi, I'm Christy Floyd. I'm a children's librarian, and I first came to Yin Acupuncture in early January. I was having some digestive problems which had yet been undiagnosed, and I also had chronic neck pain and pain in other parts of my body, which Jimmy has alleviated immensely. He is the only one who was able to figure out what was wrong with my digestive health. I had been to numerous doctors and no one could figure out what was wrong with me. I now have my energy back. I can eat, while not everything yet. I plan to get there. I feel almost healed, and I know that's a result of the acupuncture that I've experienced here. I would definitely recommend Jimmy and Yin Acupuncture to anybody, and I would also like to say that the help staff, and that sounds like a very negative word, but the assistants are just as wonderful as Jimmy.
Do you got too much gas? Then here's solution number 2, dose. Right. So the first solution we used it was targeting your large intestine. The second solution, so you got the gas out of your large intestine, okay? Now the gas can also be in your small intestine, which is more in the center right here. This is harder to get rid of, but you're gonna use solution number 2, which is go to your pinky. So you're gonna start massaging along your pinky. This nerve right here connects to your small intestine, which will help improve blood circulation to your small intestine, which helps push out the gas. And if you have like gluten sensitivity, Crohn's disease, then you want to definitely press on this, the pinky, right? The side of the pinky, on both pinkies, you want to press on the sides. This will improve blood circulation to your small intestines, which will help push out the gas. But again, you need to warn people before you do this, because you're going to be letting out some gas, all right? Make sure you like my video and follow me here for more.